Hello, this is Jake, and today we are doing some work on my 1970 Fiat 500 HUGO. Today we are going to be replacing these indicator lenses with orange and going to replace the repeaters with new ones. These are probably the original, I'm not too sure, but they are quite faded and I thought I'd just upgrade them with some new ones. I already done the lights, done the badge. These were upgraded when I had the car. So I put new everything in, the actual fits in. So we're actually only changing the lenses. So these I bought off my friend. They come with the fits-ins as well. But obviously these were new when I put the clear ones on. They were clear originally as well. I just replaced them because they were old. So we got new orange lenses and new side repeaters. The side repeaters are from Autobella. There'll be a link in the description to them where you can buy yours. Nearly everything I buy for my Fiat 500 comes from Autobella. So there'll be a link in the description. Very good prices. Probably the best place to buy your Fiat 500 parts. But like I said, these are kind of pre-owned, but they are very new condition. So I was quite lucky to pick them up actually, because I did look on Autobella and that, and they were on that, but these were really cheap from, like I say, my friend, so that was good. I picked them up. So that's our job today. Tripods out, Fiji green BMW there. So yeah, there's a few other problems we've got sorted out. We'll do later on this year, but today we are focusing on repeaters and these lenses. So let's get started. Okay, opened up all the garage to find there was a screwdriver in HUGO's bonnet. So let's get this one off. Also, I'm going to give the front end a clean as well. There's some dead flies. They should come off pretty easy. Like I said, they are new. Well, they're about 3 years old now, but it's one of the first things I bought for my Fiat 500 was the lenses, because the original ones had pretty much had it. There we go. Like I said, we had all new fits-ins when I put the clear ones replacements on. Easiest job in the world. These just got to go back on. These clear lenses, like so. If I can get them on. There we go. This should really change the look of the front end as well. As the top of my screwdriver's coming off. Obviously I gotta keep the clear lenses as well, just for future, just in case I ever end up with another, or I don't like the look of the chrome ones on there. There we go. Just give you a comparison. So it should change the look quite a lot, especially when taking photos. You might see him move there and his handbrake's not on. Okay, there we go. I should have done a before and after really, but that looks pretty good. I like that. Right, now onto the repeaters. You can see the orange colour difference. That's because obviously they are old. So let's have a look how to get them out. Okay, first things first. Let's find out what plugs into where. So again, you can see the difference in the colour. So I'm going to have to get a socket in now of some sort and try and get them off. Come out. I say should. There we go. There we go. Let me just pull this wire out a bit. One thing I've noticed straight away is that's different to that one. See, there's two connections, so I'll just have a quick look. I'm no mechanic, so better check, but I also got new rubber to go around with this one. What I'm going to do is clean up the area and then we'll fit a new one. See if I can get a shot of both for you. There you go. Note this mark right here. Been there since I had it. We will talk about a mark on the rear right corner at some point. Take the nuts off this one. Put them there. The great thing about classic Fiat 500, it's so easy to work on. Right, just took that one out. I'm guessing I can just put this one straight in. We'll see. Hopefully it'll fit. Yeah, there we go. Easy. Right. And that should. Oh, look at that. Okay, so it's looking good. The washers are down at the bottom. You can see a few other bits. There's another washer down there. The spare wheel goes right here. And the spare wheel's at it, so I'm going to get a new spare wheel sorted. I actually have a spare rim. And obviously HUGO's going to have all new rims this year, so I might just wait and then get this spare one to go in now, because they're all going to be painted up as well. In a racing white, which is kind of a creamy white. But anyway, let me get these washers out and we will fit. Okay, I'm going to have to remove the jack and my roadside triangle. Just because it's got to be in the way. There you go. Nice big lump. Okay, so the first one went really well. So what I'm going to do is unplug. This one's different again. Okay, this one has a different connection, but interesting. See that? Yeah, different connection. Not too sure why, but it's come out. There we go, there's another. So it's actually the same as the other, it's just got a different light bulb connection going into it. Not too sure why, but that doesn't matter. Clean up the area again, and yeah, we'll put the new one in. Also, I didn't drop any of the washers. One's actually still stuck to the inside, and here's the other, so that's good. Right, here's the new one. There you go. Just give you a comparison again. You see these are very old and faded. And the new one is very nice actually. Okay, there they are. It does actually make the car look a little bit better with the orange ones. However, I've just started up to try them out and they do not work. Now, there's nothing I've done today. I don't know how well you're going to see this because it's quite dark in here. Let me turn my torch on. There we go. So, the other day when driving this, my fuel gauge dropped. The needle vanished. Don't know where. It comes up every now and then. But I've noticed that I tried the indicators with my lever not working. And I thought, well, I haven't touched no electrics. All I've done is pulled the light bulb out and put it back in. And then I just realised, yeah, maybe it's something to do with that. So my clocks have completely stopped working. Well, I say they've completely stopped working. The mileage is still going up and the speedo was going up. So it's the fuel and the indicators. So I've only just realised that. So this is, yeah, I've changed the repeaters today. I've changed the indicator lenses. But yeah, there's no indicators. I'm not too sure what's happened now. So I'm going to have a look around the car and everything. And I'll catch up with you all in the next video to let you know what happened. But yeah. They look good. Shiny new ones again from Autobella. Go and check them out. There's a link in the description right now. I'm not too sure why that one's out. I'll have a look at that. But there seems to be quite a big gap there. Yeah, I'll have a look at that. It's actually the bracket inside. Like I said, you can get water in them, so you got to be careful. But yeah, I'll have a look at that. Okay, so yeah, there you go. Thank you all for watching. Hope you like this video. Here's the old ones again. Here's the old ones. These are just going my spares now. I will clean them up, see how good they come up. And then obviously, yeah, these will just be put in storage, go back in the box, and yeah, that's them. So thank you all for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. If you want to see more work done on HUGO, then definitely subscribe, because we're putting a new fuel tank in him, new wheels, and an all new interior, which I can't wait to get started. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all soon, and yeah, bye until next time.